Hi, I'm Bob Freud from Bergen Community College's Center for Innovation in Teaching and Learning in Paramus, New Jersey. And today I'm going to talk a little bit about some of the apps that I'm using. The first app that I use all the time is Dropbox. You've heard about the cloud, and most of us are saying, well, just what the heck is the cloud? You know, I don't really know. But I do know that there are a lot of apps out there that will save to Dropbox. I can do work anywhere I am, it'll save to Dropbox, and then I come on campus and I can download my files. I can access them on my computer, on my iPhone, on my iPad, even on my Windows machine if I have to. Dropbox looks something like this. It'll give me a directory of the files that I have, videos, audios, MP3, documents, you name it. It's all up there in the cloud, and then I can access it. I can also send a link to somebody else for a big file. Another app that I use on the iPad all the time, it's not really an app, it's really the browser, is MOODLE. Surprise again, MOODLE works great on the iPad. I can do most everything that I can do on my desktop machine on the iPad. I can grade student papers, I can manipulate files, and I've recently discovered I can add comments using the voice recognition, Siri, that the iPad has. And so that's something I'm playing with, but it seems to save a lot of work. Record keeping is important for all teachers, and I looked around for some of the better record keeping apps. Gradebook Pro got some tremendous reviews in the Chronicle of Higher Ed. A lot of people said, yeah, this does everything they need. And so this semester I've been using Gradebook Pro. I'll take attendance, put the attendance in, keep my assignments there, and I can email students directly out of that. There's an app called Paper, and Paper is an interactive whiteboard app. I can draw directly on paper, use different pens, different colors, and when I'm done, I can email it to myself or I can email the results to the students. So imagine having a student discussion and I'm emailing points, I'm writing points from the discussion, and then at the end it's, okay guys, here you have it all. Some of us teach in areas where there's a lot of vocabulary to learn. And not only are there a slew of flashcard programs, but many of the flashcard programs are linked to student databases. Students have created databases of flashcards for just about everything imaginable. If you're teaching a subject, if there's a book that you're using, chances are students have created a textbook for it. And I might spend 2, 3, 4 minutes in class at the beginning or at the end of class just going through a flashcard program. The next app is called Graded. It's kind of a silly little app, but what it does for me is this. If I'm giving a pen and paper test and I've decided, say, have 37 questions, it'll generate the table for me. It'll say how much each question is worth. A lot of us keep lists. LTA, again, I don't know what the name means, is a list keeping app. It'll let me update, download, rearrange the list, all using the built-in iPad gestures. And then it'll let me email it to myself or export it to a text file. This app itself was created in something called Haiku Deck. Haiku Deck is an alternative to PowerPoint. Doesn't let you do bullet points on purpose. They're trying to have you tell stories and simplify things. The nice thing about Haiku Deck is it will go out to royalty-free images for you. Put in an image that you want to use, wheel, trouble, economy, it'll find images for you. Wherever I can not carry around a ton of textbooks, I'm a happy camper. And nowadays, Kindle, Copia, Flat World, a lot of the textbook publishers have e-versions of the textbooks. And so this semester, I've got 2 books that I'm using in class, and I've got the e-book versions. So those are some of the apps that I've started using, and I'm sure there are a lot more that you guys will find, and I hope to talk more about this next time. Thanks.